Hey guys, welcome back to another video of shakidsfun. Today you are here with me, Eshal, and you're watching shakidsfun story time. And also, guys, do not forget to subscribe and like our videos. And yeah, let's just get started. So I'll just ask our handy dandy book machine to get. Okay, guys, let's get the book. Book machine, book. Wait, why isn't it working? Hello, book machine. I asked for a book.
Say it nicely.
Okay, book machine, book please. Thank you. This book is called Mommy, Do You Love Me? Guys, have you ever asked that question? I know somebody who has. For no good reason. Mommy, Do You Love Me? Jeanne Willis, illustrated by Jan Fearnley. Mommy, do you love me? Asked little chick. I love you more than words can ever say, said his mommy, and she gave him a peck on the cheek. But will you always love me, even when I look like this? She's making a funny face. He cheeped, and he made a funny face. Yes, she said, you'll always be beautiful to me. Just to make sure, little chick found the muddiest puddle. Do you guys remember the muddiest puddle from anywhere? Comment down below if you know. I'll tell at the end of the video. So if you want to know what I mean by that is, just watch the video, okay? On the farm and jumped in it. Ooh, somebody gonna get mad. When he came back, he was covered from head to tail in muck. Ooh, that little boy gonna get in trouble. Let's see. Mommy, he said, do you still love me, even when I'm muddy? Yes, she said. You're still my sweet little chick underneath. And she gave him all, and she made him all fluffy again. Just then, little chick's friends came over. They had a race. Little chick didn't win. So they're winning, and then little chick is like, how do I do this? Mommy, he said, do you still love me? Even though I came in last place? Yes, she said. You're always come in first place with me. And she gave him a red rose. The little chick ran to show his friends. Your mommy must really love you, they said. But on the way home, he dropped the rose and all the petals fell off. Mommy, he cheeped, do you still love me even though I ruined my rose? Yes, roses don't last long, but my love for you will last forever. And she put her wing around him. Little chick was happy to be loved. That he cheeped and he chirped and he crowed very, very loudly. Oh no. Please be quiet, said his mommy, but little chick wouldn't. She shrieked and he screamed and squawked and even louder. His mom tried again. Please be quiet, little chick. The little chick wouldn't listen. He just kept shouting louder and louder. So his mommy shouted back, "Please be quiet, little chick." Little chick couldn't believe his ears. His mommy had shouted at him? Didn't she love him anymore? He was so upset that he ran away and hid. His head under his wing, his mommy came looking for him. "What's wrong, little chick?" she said. "Mommy, do you still love me even when I'm bad?" "Little chick," she said, "sometimes you make me mad, but no matter what you say or do, I will always love you." "Why?" asked little chick. "Because I'm your mommy," she said. "I love you too," he said. His mommy. "But will you love me even when I look like this?" And she made a funny face. Little chick laughed and he laughed. "Mommy," he said, "sometimes you make me mad and sometimes you make me sad. But no matter what you say or do, I will always love you." "Why?" asked his mommy. "Because I'm your little chick," he said. The end. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and the thing that I was talking about, the muddy puddle. Let's find that page. Okay, there it is. It says, "Just to make sure, a little chick found the muddiest puddle on the farm." And I said something, and I meant to say that the muddy puddle part is kind of related to Peppa because she is a muddy puddle. So I guess this is